Hi everyone! My name is Monique and I am here with the Loveland Public Library. Today, I will be showing you how to register for this year's summer learning program, Learning Colors Your World. To access the program page, type loveland.readsquared.com in your internet browser. This will take you to the summer learning program login page. Here, you can see the different tabs with various age groups you can register for the program, as well as a description for each. So here we have kids, teens, as well as a description, and adults. Over here on the left-hand side is where you log in if you have already created an account. You need to create a new account every year. Previous year's accounts do not transfer over. Since we are registering a new account, we will select this blue hyperlink that says Register Now. This will take you to a new page asking you if you want to only register yourself or yourself and other readers. The second option is good for families or groups with multiple participants, so you can manage it all with one login. Today, we will be registering myself and other readers. Once you select your account type, this new page will ask you your age range. Since we selected multiple user account, this is the age of the primary account holder. If you are a caregiver registering younger children, this is where you want to make sure you are inputting your information first. You can add the other users later in the registration process. You can select yes or no depending if you also want to register yourself to participate in the adult program. Here, I will fill out my information since I will be the primary account holder. I will be filling out my first name, last name, phone number, and your email. You will also be creating a username and password. We do recommend that you write down your username and password information in case you forget it later on throughout the summer as you're logging your points. If you forget your password, you can always reset it through the website or talk to a library staff member and we can help you out. Select an avatar that you want for your profile and we'll hit continue. Since we originally selected to register myself and other readers, it automatically takes us to a page to register another reader under your account. Select how old this reader is, then click continue. You can see which program the reader will be enrolled in depending on the age range you selected. Type in this reader's information. Some information autofills with the primary account holder's information, but if you need to change anything, you can do so by clicking on the text. All readers on the account can use the same login as the primary account holder. You do not need to create a new username and password for each additional reader unless if you are registering a teen in your group account. Then we do ask that they create a username and password so they are encouraged to log their own points using their own login information. Select an avatar, and for children, you can choose to receive reading suggestions depending on the categories you select below. This is completely optional, but it is a great way to explore new titles. Since I want to register another reader, we will click continue. Again, I am choosing this reader's age range, and we'll click continue. And again, I will be filling out this reader's information. For this reader, I'm selecting no, I do not want to receive book recommendations. So you want to continue this process until you have added all participants you want on your account. If you're finished, click Done Adding Readers instead of Continue. Congrats! You have successfully registered for the Summer Learning Program. As you go through your different missions and activities, you will receive badges and prizes to pick up at the Loveland Library. When you earn a prize, you will see a pop-up with a trophy telling you to come by the library. On your account dashboard, you can access your different activities, missions, places to log your points, as well as your reader accounts. And here you can toggle between the different reader accounts. We have prize information, badges earned, and upcoming events for this age group displayed on their individual reading page. You can also access the Readsquared platform on your smart device by downloading the Readsquared app. Make sure to stop by the library to pick up your prizes and enter into our raffle drawings once you reach different levels of points. Let library staff know if you have any questions, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.